Cloudy Cure is an all-natural enzyme blend that breaks down inorganic compounds to clear up cloudy water after pool parties, severe weather conditions, or algae treatments. Cloudy Cure speeds up your pool's recovery so you can enjoy crystal clear water. Always test your water before adding Cloudy Cure to make sure your levels are balanced for maximum efficiency. First, prep the bottle for application. Make sure the cap is securely tightened and then shake the bottle to mix the solution. Turn on your filtration system and pour Cloudy Cure directly into the pool at a rate of 16 ounces for every 10,000 gallons of water. Allow the water to circulate until clear. Monitor your filter pressure and maintain it as needed. Backwash, bump, or clean the filter from time to time or when the flow is reduced. This will speed up recovery time. If your pool stays cloudy, a second dose of Cloudy Cure after 2 to 3 days should clear things up. Remember to avoid superchlorinating for a day or two after the first application. Questions about your pool's clarity? Contact your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.